Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add Amex gift card to Cash App. So let's get into the video. So Cash App mostly supports American Express cards. So what you can do, simply open up your Cash App and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so you're going to go to your balance and hit on add cash and then type in the amount that you wish to add to your Cash App. So for example here, just select that, hit on add, and then now what you're going to do, you have to link your debit card. So here for the debit card, try to use your American Express card here. So try to enter the details of your American Express card here and hit on the link card option. So this should link your Amex card to your Cash App. So please keep in mind that this might work for some people depending on the regions and also depending on your account and Cash App. So keep that in mind and then just give it a go and see if it works for you. I hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.